Pamunuan ng 9th Civil Military Operations Kaagapay Batalyon ipinasa na sa bagong pinuno. Ang detalye ihahatid ni Jiro Banania.
Ipinasa na ni Lieutenant Colonel Jenny Vidanias ang pamumuno ng 9th Civil Military Operations kay Lieutenant Colonel Emerson Ian Borja sa isinagawang change of command ceremony nitong nakarang Lunes. Ang nasabing seremonya ay pinangunahan ni Colonel Marces Gayat, ang Deputy Commander ng CMO Regiment Philippine Army, kung saan binati nito ang di matatawarang dedikasyon ng outgoing officer, habang binati at binigyang payo naman ito ang bagong pinuno.
What you need in as battalion commander is commandership. Mayroon kang direct actions or supervision doon sa actions mo to oversee the capability of your unit. You have to supervise and see to it that all available resources will be managed. Second is letter M. Huwag mong pabayaan ang moral and welfare of the troops. Thirdly is operational effectiveness, efficiency, and effectiveness. Tingnan mo rin yan, no?
Nobyembre 16 ng taong 2022 nang mag-assume sa pwesto si Lieutenant Colonel Danyas, kung saan nakapagtala ng matatagumpay na programang batalyon na epektibong nakatulong sa internal peace and security operations ng organisasyon sa rehiyong Bicol.
Being part of the family was more than just a duty. It became a mission of the heart, grounded in dedication and steadfast commitment to serving our troops and communities we support. When I assumed command of this battalion, I knew the responsibility that came with it. It was not just about leading, but about upholding the values and mission of the unit while ensuring the welfare of both our troops and the communities we serve.
Sa tagumpay na ito, walang ibang hinangadang bagong upong opisyal, kundi ipagpatuloy ang mga magagandang programang nasimulan ng CMO.
Let us always stand our ground, guided by military customs and traditions, courtesy and discipline, gender, culture, and mission sensitivity. CMO pillars in our battalion monitor Kaagapay to be the Kaagapay of the Bicolanos and across the land.
Kapayapaan para sa lahat. Jiro Banania, Sphere News.